Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 13th video, we will focus on why our South Africans are so divided. Besides the old story of apartheid and social inequality, we have also 1. Political polarization. South Africa has a multi-party political system, and political polarization is common. This polarization can make it difficult for political leaders to work together to address key issues affecting the country. 2. Tribalism and ethnic divisions. South Africa is home to many different ethnic groups, and these groups have different cultural traditions, languages, and histories. These differences can create tensions and divisions within the country. 3. Ideological differences. South Africa is a country with diverse opinions and beliefs, and these differences can create divisions. For example, differences in opinion on issues such as race, land reform, and economic policy can create significant political and social divisions. It is great business to keep people divided. These are just a few examples of the factors that contribute to division in South Africa. Addressing these issues will require sustained effort and commitment from all stakeholders, including government officials, civil society organizations, and the public. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.